Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can justify text in WPS Office application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my document in WPS Office application, and for example, I'm going to justify this paragraph. If we want to justify text or paragraph, we need to select the text like this, and then we're going to go to the home menu and go to this section, and then we can click on this justify. Okay, or we can use Control and J. Okay, and as you can see that the text alignment has been changed to justify, or you can simply press Control and J like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to justify tags in WPS Office application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!